if you're going to be able to see that in the camera. But Brett's out on the ProForce. Some people have been complaining about saying that it's too loud, but it's actually well below anything that that our ordinance won't allow for. You see right well. Let's see if we can see better. If we go this way, yeah. There's your max, 78 decibels, which is what we've always tracked that at. You know, and our ordinance says no greater than 70 decibels from measured from the complainer's property line. Now, he's actually much closer to us now than he ever would be to the complainer's property line. And you can see running, you know, 60, 65, 70-ish, somewhere in there. So, now, the law in the state of Florida says no greater than like maximum law that you can, the most constraining law you can have in Florida is 90 decibels at 50 feet. Most we hit here is 70. And yeah, there's no question it's loud, but it's legal loud. I really don't know what more you can say to people other than that really just people need to learn how to get along and like and just, you know, tolerate the things that we don't like. You know, there's lots of things in our lives, in my life, that I don't like, but I tolerate from other people because it's their liberty and their freedom to do it. Riding jet skis and riding jet skis safely is one of those things.